Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the used 2018 Salem Hemisphere 372RD. This 42-foot, 9-inch front bedroom fifth wheel has 5 slides and sleeps 6 people. It weighs 11,149 pounds. This fifth wheel MSRPs at $54,122. Is available at the Zoomer's low price of $31,900. This camper has a rear living with opposing slides in the back, as you'll get a better view of here shortly. It has rooftop access. Here is the other side of that opposing slides for this fifth wheel. There are also opposing slides in the kitchen, which we'll look at shortly. Let's get a better view here. It has one big awning and one entrance. It also has large pass-through storage. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Here we are inside this beautiful rear living fifth wheel. Let's go ahead and make our way towards the back and work our way towards the front. You'll notice in this rear living area, we have couches and our opposing slides. We have TV and fireplace directly across from our theater seating. In the kitchen, you'll notice a fan and again opposing slides. In this slide, we have freestanding table and chairs. Here we have a coffee bar, hutch, 2-door Whirlpool refrigerator, some drawers as well as a pantry, some overhead cabinetry, microwave, 3-burner cooktop with glass cover, and a kitchen island for some additional counter space. Let's make our way towards the master bedroom. We'll stop at the full bath. We have foot flush toilet, linen closet, a seat in our shower, skylight. Of course, we have our sink and mirrored medicine cabinet. With these nice hooks over here. In our bedroom, we have a bed slide, which creates plenty of space to walk around the bed. Built-in dresser, TV mount, and TV hookup. Let's go ahead and open these closet doors real quick. Notice we have a spacious closet with a shelf and washer-dryer hookup. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this used 2018 Hemisphere. Feel free to view pictures or apply for financing online at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.